Okay, so I'm not sure why I'm doing this so spooky, but like, I didn't even use this knife to take this thing off, but it looked like it's just all like spooky and dark, and there's like stuff in front of the lens. Oh, so cinematic. I got this new little arm thing, and I'm just testing it out. Anyway, this guy though, I have to drown him. He should fit. He fits. So what I want to do is put this body on this head, and then paint this because it kind of looks like me. Just getting a chop. Just getting a chop. Okay, with this new little rig, I can like, what? Oh, we being cinematic? Scorsese up in this? Was this looking like a movie and shit? I'm gonna put it in for 5 minutes, the water. Look at that. What? Pans and shit. Oh, you wanna know something really weird about my microwave? I think my microwave is haunted. Hear me out, hear me out. Look, there is a fucking handprint on my door for my microwave. It's like on the inside of the glass. Like it's not on the other side. It can't be wiped off. Like it's just there. What is that? It's also like from up here on the inside. Like if somebody died doing that or something. I mean, I don't know if it's a ghost, but you know, what were they doing on the inside of this door, holding it like this, and then they got fucking vaporized. Anyway, I'm gonna put it on for 5 minutes. Cinematic. Oh, the light hitting it and shit. Let's pull back, hand in shot, open. I probably shouldn't be saying all this stuff while I'm doing. Wait, hold up. This is gonna be hot as hell. We're gonna do some science right now. All right, let me put this down. Oh, shit, I should have smoked out. This thing is like bubbling a little bit. Is this safe? Ow! Is this safe? Can you even see? Is this cinematic enough for you guys? I'm just calling stuff in the shot now cinematic. When you start seeing a lot of bubbles, it means that you've broken the seal. I don't know where the money is, man. Oh, this just got dark and gritty like a Scorsese movie. I don't know how to. Yeah, you do. You're gonna tell me how to do it. It's finally coming apart here. Okay, so here we have, and this head, can, you know, I don't care. Oh shit, there's water in this one. Of course there is. It was in water. Okay, so I might have to cut this out. I think so. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, what if I put them together like this? Let's just do some art. So I think I'm gonna have to cut off this excess material here and attach it to this guy. It's me, but I'm gonna do the hair different so that it looks more like me. Oh my god, man. What happened here? I can't believe it. Look at these bodies. What is this knife? Is this a vat of acid? This looks cinematic as fuck. Who's that behind me? Is that cinematic? See, now I have this thing and I can do stuff like this so that my setup can stay where it needs to be. And now I could even do this. What? Hold on. Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I have a meeting. I'm gonna go to that meeting today. The meeting's in the kitchen, so I'll see you there. Hold on, let me just skateboard there. What's up? I'm here at the meeting. Got my skateboard. Just got here to the kitchen. Vlogs coming soon. Daily vlogs coming soon now. I can only go from here to here because it hooks up right there and stuff. So I've got a limited range. If you're seeing boxes or anything like that, I just bought luggage. You didn't need to know that.